for any of you old truck drivers, this is a Cummins 903. If you're not familiar with a Cummins 903, I believe it's 903 cubic inch V8. This engine weighs, the truck can only weigh 6,200 pounds for this class. The engine weighs as much as the rest of the truck. This engine is huge. You won't have to really hold your ears for this. It's really quiet, but this truck runs really, this Jeep runs really good. He's very competitive with these high performance engines. What do you think of that? You like that, huh?